At StudyMind, we believe that high-quality work experience is an important stepping stone into your chosen career path. When applying to study technology-based subjects, undertaking work experience shows admissions tutors that you're committed to your studies and is a chance for you to showcase your skills. In short, it sets you apart from the competition. StudyMind's Technology Work Experience programme is aimed at 15 to 24-year-olds and takes place in the vibrant City of London. Throughout the programme, you will gain an understanding of various areas of technology from experts who will provide hands-on interactive sessions. You'll be immersed in the world of software development, understanding the process of bringing software to market. You'll explore cybersecurity and data protection and its ethical implications. And you will learn about AI and examine how machine learning algorithms have revolutionised areas like finance or healthcare. Our technology work experience is designed to make you stand out from the competition. We also provide support with university applications and interview techniques. At the end of the programme, you'll also receive a certificate of completion to use in your UCAS application. Travelling from afar, 40% of our students travel from all over the world, including China, Hong Kong, UAE and India. That's why we also offer accommodation and food. You will stay in a central London location with round-the-clock security, and our team of DBS checked leaders will be on hand to support you 24/7. So why not kickstart your journey to your dream job and visit us today to see how we can help.